Today we're going to begin our unit with spreadsheets and learning how to use Google Sheets to create spreadsheets, edit spreadsheets. We will eventually learn how to insert charts using spreadsheet data, and we will also learn some spreadsheet art. So I hope you enjoy this unit of learning how to use spreadsheets. Today we're going to start with the vocabulary of spreadsheets, and then we're also going to look at getting started with Google Sheets on GCF Global Learn Free to learn more about how we're going to get started with Google Sheets. So what are spreadsheets? A spreadsheet is a document organized into rows and columns in which data can be manipulated and used in calculations. So we've created tables in Google Docs, and they look really similar to spreadsheets, and they are alike because they have columns and they have rows. But in a table, you cannot do calculations, or with spreadsheets, we call those formulas. So there is a difference between a table and a spreadsheet, and spreadsheet is an actual application software. So a spreadsheet will not only organize information, but will complete a variety of mathematical formulas for the user, such as calculating totals, averages, percentages, budgets, and complex financial and scientific formulas. So why learn about spreadsheets? Along with word processing software and databases, spreadsheet software is commonly used by businesses. Spreadsheets simplify many complicated tasks. For instance, a student could use a spreadsheet software to keep track of their grades in a course, or a manager of a small business could use it to keep track of salary expenses for his employees. With spreadsheets, users have the ability to enter data, perform calculations, analyze results, and display this information easily through charts, graphs, and infographics. So spreadsheets can be used for a multitude of things. We're going to learn how to input data, edit data, format data, and then we're also going to learn how to input some simple formulas and do some simple calculations. And then we will also look at how to create a chart from the data that we have added to a spreadsheet. So today you're going to look at the vocabulary. You will use this Quizlet link to find the words that go with the definitions. If you will scroll down on this web page, you should see that there are all of the definitions. If for some reason you cannot see all of them, you may have to log into your account that you may have already created. If you haven't created one, then you should create one using your school Google account. Once you have completed this worksheet, remember that we will have a quiz on Monday. And so you will need to look over this to be ready for the quiz on Monday. It will be a short quiz. Then you're going to use the GCF Global website to complete this Google form. So I'm going to open that website, and then I'm going to go over to the link for the Google form, and I'm going to open that Google form. On this Google form, you're going to need to make sure that on this Google form, you will need to make sure that you enter your first name, last name, and then also select the class period. And then you will answer these questions using this website on GCF Learn Free. So you will need to read through the information. You'll need to watch this short video. Again, being sure that you read. These are several slides that you will look through to see what you can use spreadsheets for. And then this will walk you through the steps to creating a spreadsheet. This is an infographic that you can click on the different parts of the interface of Google Sheets to see what they are. You will have some questions about those. So use this website and the information on this website to answer all of the questions. I did give you some hints about the questions being located on the video, and then you can use this graphic and then the graphic on Google Sheets to help you answer the questions. If you have any questions, email me at smithla@whitehallsd.org.